How many bowls do you have? How many plates do you have?
I have 2 plates. I have 3 bowls.
A shirt. Shoes. Pants. A coat. A dress. A skirt.
Two, 4, 6. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who is reading? The students are reading. Who is drinking? The women are drinking. Who is writing? The girl is writing.
The man is wearing a coat. The man is buying a coat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is buying a hat. 4. 1. 6. 5. 2. 3.
The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The woman is wearing shoes. The man is not wearing shoes. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt.
What is this? This is a bicycle. How many bicycles are there? There are 3 bicycles. Who has a bicycle? She has a bicycle. Does she have a bicycle? Yes.